If you think all dashcams are created equal, think again. What if I told you there's a 3-channel 4K dashcam that not only captures stunning detail, but does it without breaking the bank? Meet the Viofo A139 Pro, a powerhouse that's quietly taking over the premium dashcam market in the US. Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know if this is the best dashcam for your car in 2025. Viofo A139 Pro Product Overview. The Viofo A139 Pro is Viofo's flagship 3-channel dashcam. First released in late 2022, designed for drivers who demand maximum coverage and video quality. Made by the trusted dashcam brand Viofo, known for high-performance cams without inflated prices, the A139 Pro features 4K Ultra HD recording up front, backed by Sony's STARVIS to sensor for incredible lot performance. It's aimed at rideshare drivers, daily commuters, and road trip enthusiasts who need crystal-clear footage for peace of mind, insurance claims, or just capturing those unexpected moments on the road. Performance. Let's talk real world. Performance. And I tested this dashcam in a mix of conditions across city streets, highways, and even at night in rural areas. The front camera's 4K resolution at 30 FPS with the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor delivers genuinely impressive clarity. Even in low light and pitch black scenarios, license plates, road signs, and faces remain visibly rarity for dashcams at this price point. The interior and rear cameras, both 108p Full HD, perform solidly with decent detail and minimal distortion. A stress test during a heavy rainstorm showed that the wide, dynamic range handled headlight glare and reflections like a champ. Features and tech. The Viofo A139 Pro isn't just about great video, it's loaded with smart features. First up, 3-channel recording. You get front, interior, and rear coverage simultaneously, making it ideal for Uber, Lyft, or taxi drivers who need comprehensive protection. Next, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allow you to connect to your phone using the Viofo app. From there, you can review footage, tweak settings, or download clips on the go. No need to remove the microSD card. Then there's the advanced parking mode. With optional hardwiring, it uses motion detection and buffered recording, capturing crucial moments before and after an incident when your car's parked. Finally, it supports up to 512 GB microSD cards, so you won't have to worry about running out of space on long trips. Compared to competitors like the Blackview DR900X, the Viofo gives you similar performance at a much friendlier price point. Design and build. The A139 Pro sports a stealthy, low-profile design with a matte black finish that blends into most vehicle interiors. The build feels solid, with a mix of durable plastic and heat-resistant materials that handle summer heat without issue. A must for US drivers in hot climates. The separate interior and rear cameras are compact and easy to mount. Buttons along the side provide tactile feedback, and while the unit lacks a display screen, the app makes up for it. Overall, it's functional and discreet, just what you want in a dashcam. Pros. Excellent 4K video quality. Even at night, full 3-channel coverage for all-around protection. Wi-Fi plus GPS with app control. Cons. Occasional lens flare in bright sun. Hardwire kit sold separately for parking mode. Price and value. At around $350 to $400 USD, depending on retailer and configuration. The Viofo A139 Pro offers tremendous value. For what you'd pay for a high-end channel system like the Blackview DR750X, you're getting full 3-channel 4K plus 108p coverage. Add in the top-tier Sony sensor, large storage support, and robust app integration, and it's clear Viofo designed this model for drivers who want premium features without the premium price tag. It's one of the best values in the dashcam market for US buyers today. Setup and installation. Installation is relatively straightforward, especially if you've installed dash cams before. Viofo includes mounting hardware, cable clips, and clear instructions. The front unit mounts behind your rear view mirror, and the rear and interior cameras connect with included cables. While the basic setup takes about 30 to 45 minutes, hardwiring for parking mode will take longer or may require a professional install.